Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Nigeria may be witnessing another Rotimi Akeredolu in the person of Governor Dave Umahi in Southeast. Despite so much that has happened, he has decided to take a full stand. But it will definitely shock a whole lot of persons where the stand is. But I must say, he's decided to do what is called the needful. But before we go into the news proper to find out what it is Governor Dave Umahi has said and is now willing to do as we speak, and of course, IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra, has spoken concerning another matter on this same issue. We'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, Governor Dave Umahi spoke when Vice President Yemi Osibajo paid on an assessment visit to the state over what is going on what is going on in the four communities in Ishelu local government area last week by suspected herdsmen. At least 25 persons were confirmed dead in the attacks last Monday at Ingalaha, Ebeku, Amazu, and Egedegede communities in Ishelu local government area. While addressing the vice president, Governor Dave Umahi said there would have been reprisal attacks if not for the swift intervention of the state government through stakeholders able to calm the people. Okay, what happened was these people divided themselves and were going towards the communities. So every Okada with passenger was hacked down. Oh my God. Initially, they were using other stuffs, so nobody will know what was happening until they got to the communities, and that was when they started shooting. And that's the time the people got to know that the villagers got to know what is happening, and then the villagers mobilized and started pursuing them. If government fails to do something, sir, if government fails to do something, sir, it will be on record that the people did their best by providing this vital information. The killers are not hidden. They are there, sir, with their pictures, the call logs. Osibajo appealed for patience for the people while government looks into the matter. He assured that the perpetrators will be fished out and prosecuted. Eh, I just hope truly, truly they will be fished out and prosecuted. The people have the call logs. The people say they saw them. They can identify their faces. And up till now, they're still trying to fish them out. What is going on in this country? Are there people who are, how can there be almost the same story almost all over the whole South? And we keep looking towards investigating them, always looking forward to investigating. But as soon as there's some sort of defense, everybody springs to action. Yes, let's know what is this? It's not fair. It's going to make the people go into self-help. They will embrace self-help the more. But let's find out what IPO, because of course IPO will also have reacted to another event. So on the 31st of March, it was reported that the former Central Bank of Nigeria Governor Central Bank of Nigerian Governors rather, Prof. Charles Soludo was attacked by unknown gunmen in Usofia Agwata local government area of Anambra State. The ugly incident also took the lives of three police aides attached to Soludo. Ever since the incident happened, Nigerians have been reacting to and also dropping their respective social media, dropping so much of their opinions. A few days ago, the Anambra State Police Command arrested five suspects in connection with the attack. However, some persons also linked the Eastern Security Network, that's ESN, and Indigenous People of Biafra IPOB to the attack. Not long ago, IPOB, in a statement, revealed that they have nothing to do with the attack on the ex-CBN governor. The group maintained that IPOB and ESN remained a peaceful movement seeking the total restoration of Biafra. IPOB also said that they have no issues with Soludo, adding that those that they had issues with has not been attacked. IPOB and ESN do not indulge in kidnapping or taking down people we are supposed to protect. We are confident to provide adequate security for our people, not to bring them down or kidnap them. We are not unknown gunmen, IPOB and ESN are known group ready to fight for our upcoming kingdom, they said. Wow. It might also interest you that the suspected the those it might also interest you to know that those suspected arrests by Nigerian police force confessed to having actively taken part in the attack. They also claim responsibility for the adoption of the Commissioner for Public Utility, Mr. Emeka Ezewani. All right, you have heard it. In fact, when I heard, just my personal opinion now, but I'm sure I'm speaking the mind of some other persons out there. When I heard that they said that it is IPOB, ESN is a security network that attacked Soludo, that's former ex-governor of CBN, and I sat back. I was just thinking, why would ESN attack Soludo? Is it because he's contesting for 2023 governorship election in Anambra State? Is it because of the election that is going on? Because they said Biafra must come. But then, even if you must say, okay, there should not be Biafra, must you kill your own illustrious son? It didn't jive. It didn't make sense. Yes, the whole essence why they created ESN was to protect the people from any foreign invaders. But why would you want to take down your own person? I struggled. Honestly, I struggled because I was looking for a tangible reason why they may likely want to do it, or else they have almost failed in their mission. But good to know that Emma Powerful, as an ESN, IPB in the person of their spokesperson, Emma Powerful, have also, cleared the air, because it honestly doesn't make sense. Why would you were created and they be moving around the whole of the old eastern region, and especially in troubled areas, to see how they can secure their people? Why would they want to bring to repute or bring to harm their own person? Now we have to now they've also brought out another matter, that they are also not unknown gunmen. Some people will be praying for this unknown gunmen. Have you now heard now that IPOB have also said they are not the unknown gunmen? So if you hear the unknown government, it is not ESN. No. So don't assume that it is ESN. It could actually be anybody masquerading as if they are the ESN. That's one. Then also looking at what Governor David Mahi has done. Honestly, he has been very patient, and he has said it all. These people that did this whole thing in Ebonyi State, they are there. The people can identify them. They are call logs. We keep hearing about name. We keep hearing about digital investigation. People have been making calls. Can't we trail this? Why is it that when it comes to the issue of Fulani herdsmen and the nefarious activities, everybody seems to turn blind eyes towards it? By the time the people take to self-defense, everybody springs up. No, 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 no. That is the constitution of Nigeria about the issue of right to life must not be abused. But what about other people's lives that have been abused? See, the way we are going about this thing and making it so physically obvious that some persons are more Nigerian than the other will not help the matter at all. That's what we're going to wrap it up. Let's listen to our comment.